Hello friends, let's imagine that you followed so many tutorials that you now can earn money with editing for clients, and you don't want your client to run away with some of your previews, so you need a watermark. Let's dive into it, how you achieve that. On the edit page of DaVinci Resolve, you put your footage on your editor. You know that in the meantime, of course. Then you go to the effects library, and in the effects you go and drag a watermark on your footage. And now you're done actually, but there's more. Open the inspector, and here you can not only change the text of your watermark, for example, my business, you can also decide to put your logo here where it says drag your logo here. So let's go to the media pool. Let's fish for the logo and then just drag it here. Click on use logo. And now you see that your logo appears. You can also change the logo saturation, go from black and white to color. Just let's take the full Monty here, and then you can extend the logo size, the logo angle if you like. Just keep it as it is. Let's have a look in full screen, and I hope you have fun with this. Have fun watching the rest of this playlist. Thank you very much for watching, subscribing, for all your support. Give it a like if you like it, and goodbye.